How do you use Facebook? Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can use Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to use Facebook, I'm assuming you must have already created your account and done everything else over here, because without that you will not be able to use it, obviously. Now over here what you actually have to do is simply open up Facebook and log into your account. Right on the home page you will see any updates about your friends and people that Facebook thinks that you might know, or the suggested reels, but just basically the timeline from others, right? And the posts that they have made. If you come to the watch tab, you will be able to see things from Facebook Watch. If you come to the friends tab, you can see the suggestions, your friend list, the friend request, and the friend request that you received. You'll come to the marketplace icon where you should be able to see anything that you have with the products that you might want to purchase or buy. Then when you come to the notifications tab, you will be able to see any sort of notifications there. Similarly, if you tap the three lines option there, the menu icon is where most of the things happen if you want to customize anything about your settings. For example, when you go to settings, you will be able to customize most of your account, the privacy checkup, the default audience. Under preferences, you have newsfeed, your reaction preferences if you want to hide likes. You can select your language region, you can lock your profiles, and so on. Just everything, every little detail that you want to do, they will always be located inside settings. Most important is your very own profile. So when you come to the home tab and simply come to your profile page over here, you should be able to see your own profile picture and all of your stuff, like your cover photo and any details that you want to add. You can tap on edit profile to add them. If you scroll down, you can add some to your featured, and here you will see your friends list. And if you scroll down, you can see all of your posts that you have posted previously. This way you will be able to use Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.